small. So just purchased a new MT09 SP. I just wanted to go through what mods and add-ons and bits been put on. So it's got Giles clutch and brake levers added. It's got a black painted change amount of anyway, from that got fly screen on. We've got converted LED blinkers which are daytime, also lit. Got RNG protection, got a rad guard from RNG, mid-engine protector front, and from Pyramid Plastics we've got belly pan. Please comment below what you think about him. How do you like it? We've got engine crash protection from Yamaha. Got an RNG tail tidy, which is just a smaller version of the rear end. Still gives a clean look from the back, I believe. Again, LEDs to the back. Pyramid plastic. Seat Cowl. That's amazing. Look at the colour. Look how it flows with the bike. Just makes the bike amazing. Now, obviously, we have got the Akrapovic exhaust carbon, which I've taken it from the other bike which I've had. And on this SP we've got the older suspension. It's got an adjuster right here, make it hard and soft, make it easy. I just like the look of that. And KYB front forks in gold. Oh, it's quite nice looking. Yeah, the setup currently is very hard. Feel the road, not too bad, you get used to it, but it absorbs the shocks and the bumps easily. Also got some easy grips installed, very nice. Tank pad with a man mount on. Original sport seat from Yamaha. Might change these out. Different rear sets. Yeah. What do you think, guys? Any other changes would you recommend? And what do you think of the bike? Check out the lights. The LEDs stay on daytime, and check out the exhaust. Check one out.